Welcome back to Bounty's Midlife Adventure. I'm heading down to Etty Bay, nice little beach just south of Cairns. The weather's beautiful, the sun's out, 24 degrees. So, let's go. And we're just on the Etty Bay Range. So we're just going to pop over the hill here and down to Etty Bay, nice little beach just south of Cairns. It'll be about an hour south. And I might just camp the night there and head back home tomorrow. So this is Etty Bay, just around the corner. Probably one of my favourite beaches in Australia. So you got the rainforest here, and it's right on the beachfront, like literally on the sand. So it's quite a popular little place for such a small beach. Little Surf Lifesaving Club here, caravan park. So we might just stop at the caravan park here and see if they've got room to squeeze us in. So there we go, all checked in for the night. Got a camp spot right on the front there. So I'll head around there, put my camp up, get organised, go for a walk along and show you the beach down here. But it is a nice little spot down here. I used to come down kayak fishing here quite often until somebody got eaten by a crocodile out of their boat. It kind of turned me off it. My kayak was a lot smaller than their boat. There's the old cassowary again, look. There's a few of them that get around here. Last time I camped down here for a mate of mine, Chris, we had a huge goanna hanging around the camp. I think people have been feeding him sausages and whatnot. So I reckon we'll probably, I don't know where we're going to sneak in, just here somewhere. I reckon here will do.
Morning YouTubers, welcome to Etty Bay. How nice is this, first thing in the morning? There's quite a few people up down here already. I had a good sleep again last night, as I always do when I go camping. But I still reckon this is one of the prettiest beaches in Australia. Look at that, right there behind me. You've got the rainforest comes right back down to the sand there. You can get up here, you can chuck your hammock, your chair in the rainforest, and you can put your feet straight into the sand. At all the cassowaries that are walking around. There's usually a big goanna that walks around here as well, harassing people like the cassowaries do. I think the cassowary likes me. He was up early again this morning, hanging around my camp. I think I've actually camped underneath a cassowary plum tree. That's what the cassowaries eat. So I could hear the plums hitting my tent all night, and I woke up this morning and there's the old cassowary eating them. So yeah, not a bad little place to be. It's going to be a cracker day too, look at that. It'll be a nice day to get out on the bike and go for a ride. I was surprised how many people were camping down here. It was, the caravan park's pretty much all full, And even this morning, you know, I'm up nice and early now, sunrise, but there must have been about, I don't know, 10, 20 people down the beach. That's pretty busy for me. Most beaches, places I go to, I like it where there's no one there. But yeah, after breakfast, I think I'll pack my camp up and we'll just go for a nice ride up around the coast here somewhere and make our way back into Cairns. Oh, great place for a coffee. Eating a few cassowary plums. Hey mate. You can see these cassowary plums on the ground. Gobbling them all up. Well, there you go, that's my take on Etty Bay. Now, pop out of the rainforest here, back onto the beach. But if you enjoy this type of stuff and you're new to the channel, make sure you smack that subscribe button down the bottom and give it the thumbs up. It does help the YouTube algorithm, help other people find this content. So enjoy. We'll probably see you all in the next one, hopefully.